Hello all, this is Keerthana, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. I'm here to present a lecture series on the subject Financial and Cost Accounting on the topic Subsidiary Books. In last video, we have seen subsidiary books and advantages with types. Now we can see the first one, purchase book. Purchase book is a subsidiary book in which only credit purchase of goods are recorded. ஸோ லாஸ்ட் வீடியோலேயே சொல்லியிருப்போம் பர்ச்சேஸ் புக் அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம என்னெல்லாம் ஆர்கனைசேஷனில் பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணுறோமோ அதை மட்டுமே என்டர் பண்ணியிருப்போம். When business wants to know the information about the credit purchase of goods at a glance, the information can be made available if purchase of goods on credit are separately recorded. So this was the main point. Purchase books have recorded only with credit purchase only. So we have detailed information about a particular transaction. Goods here mean that items in which the business entity dealing, in which it is the item which is purchased for regular sales. Example, okay, to get clarity, we can see an example. Furniture will be treated as goods in case of firm dealing in furniture. For other firms which are not dealing in furniture, it will be an asset. Hence, while recording in the purchase book, it must be ascertained whether the credit purchase is related to item in which the firm is dealing. Purchase of asset and purchase of goods of cash not entered in purchase book. So, purchase of asset purchase of cash purchase bookல வராது. So you just remind that cash book we have. So if we purchase a cash, we have to enter in a cash book only. So we have to ignore here. Next, so this is the format. So first one is date, particulars, invoice number, ledger folio, and amount column and total amount column. So in the date, we have to record the particular purchase of goods credit on the recorded. Next is particulars. In particulars column, we have to enter the goods have been purchased from the supplier, details of goods purchased. It contains name, quantity, quality, and rate of goods purchased, trade discount, and any other specification and specialities of the goods are recorded in this column. So just see this sum and guess it. Third column is invoice number. So invoice is the statement prepared by the seller of goods. It contains details about the goods, its price, and other expenses incurred. The invoice number is entered in this column. And then the LF is ledger folio. As we know, the page number of the ledger is appeared in this column. Next is amount column. So amount column gives an clear and accurate net amount payable to the supplier of goods is recorded. So here February 1, 2018, Miss Ram and Son Punjab is a company name, and 100 packets of the ball pens rupees 40 per packet. So 100 packet rupees 40 per packet, so 4000. 60 packets of the ink pen at 40 rupees per packet, so 60 into 40, 2400, and IGST is 12%, so amount will be 6400. Next, Miss Shyam and Sons, Delhi. So they said 500 ream of the A4 size paper at rupees 150 per ream. So 50 into 150, 7500. Next, 200 pieces of small notebook at rupees 18 per piece, which is 3600. And 100 pieces of the Lahar notebook, rupees 28 per piece. So that is 2800. And CGST 6%, SGST 6%. By calculating 15,568 is our net amount or till date, and the last date is February 7, 2018. Raghunath store, that is Uttar Pradesh, 70 boxes of pencil at rupees 15. So 70 into 15, 1050 rupees, and 40 boxes of eraser at 20, which is 40 into 20, 800. And add IGST as 12% and add freight as 100. So total is 2172 rupees. From the date of 147, the total amount is 22,150 as a purchase. Hope you have understood as date, particular column, invoice number, LF, details, and total. So these are the format. In this format, we have to calculate the purchase of per piece into total. So 100 into 40 is 4000, 60 into 40 is 2400, and by the second date 500 ream 550 ream into 150, which is 7500. So we have to calculate like this, and by the end we have to pay the net payable. We have to calculate the net payable, which is to be entered in the purchase book. Thank you.